In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Kearney Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar type in kearneybank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Kearney Bank. Now in order to log into your account, just click on the orange login button at the top right corner, and this will open up the login pop-up. Now you can simply click on the login. Now in order to log into your business account, you can click on the login button at the business banking section, and this will take you into the business banking login portal. No matter whether you're logging into your personal account or your business account, all you need to do is type in your username followed by your password. Then just click on the submit button and you will be logged into your account with Kearney Bank. In case you forgot your password, you will also find the forgot password button underneath the submit button. You can just click on it and you will be allowed to reset your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Kearney Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.